Welcome to our comparison of SCHD and VTI, two popular investment funds. SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, seeks to track the performance of high dividend yielding U.S. stocks. VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, aims to track the performance of the entire U.S. stock market. Both offer unique features to investors, but which one is right for you? Let's explore. SCHD selects stocks from the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index, focusing on companies with a record of consistently paying dividends. On the other hand, VTI provides exposure to a broader range of companies, including small, mid, and large cap stocks across many industries. This diversity can offer more growth opportunities and risk diversification. Both funds have low expense ratios, making them cost-effective choices for investors. VTI's expense ratio is 0.03%, while SCHD's is slightly higher at 0.06%. Although the difference may seem negligible, it can add up over time, especially for larger investments. Historically, VTI has provided higher total returns than SCHD. However, SCHD's focus on dividend-paying stocks means it may offer a higher yield, which could be appealing to income-focused investors. Always remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. Both funds are managed by reputable firms, Vanguard and Charles Schwab, which implement robust security measures to protect investors' assets. These measures include encryption, fraud detection, and secure login processes. Both are also SIPC insured, offering up to $500,000 in coverage for cash and securities. Vanguard and Charles Schwab both offer comprehensive customer support, including phone, email, and live chat options. They also provide educational resources to help investors understand their investments and make informed decisions. SCHD may be ideal for income-focused investors who want consistent dividend payouts. VTI, with its broader market exposure, may be better suited for investors seeking diversified growth. Both are suitable for long-term investors due to their low-cost nature. There's no one-size-fits-all winner, as it depends on individual investment goals. However, if we must choose, VTI edges out due to its lower expense ratio, broader market exposure, and historically higher total returns. But keep in mind, if regular income is a priority, SCHD's higher yield can be more attractive. Thank you for watching our comparison of SCHD and VTI. We hope it helps you make an informed investment decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more investment comparisons. Until next time, happy investing.